Hey everyone, earlier this year Amazon changed their DRM software. They went for more of a cloud focused option, cloud-based option to prevent users from stripping DRM and uploading them. I am not showing you this so that you can do that. I do not upload my books online. I request that you do not do so as well. So basically, it made my life hard. You know, I don't know if many of you know, but I am disabled and I don't see well. So reading a book online for this for any length of time is quite painful. I have to use my tablet. My tablet's EPUB, so I have to remove the DRM in order to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got the updated caliber. Yes, I know I don't. It works though for me right now, so I'm not going to do it while I've got you here. And then once you get Caliber downloaded and installed, you want to get the new tools, which is currently, I think, 10.0.3. Yeah, 10.0.3. And I'll put both these links down below. Once you've gotten that installed, it's just the same way you always install them. I'm not going to do a tutorial for that now. Once you get that installed, though, then you're going to want to download the book. And, oops, sorry, I went back too far. Now, this is what it used to look like. And if you clicked on it, it put in an ACSM, which is a link to a book, not an actual book. So, but not anymore. Now you can click on it. You click on this. Excuse me. See where it says KFX? So what you're going to want to do is convert. Just convert it to an EPUB. Click OK. Once that all gets done converting, which actually happens kind of fast. You'll see right here, it'll add an EPUB. There you go. And that has no DRM. So I've got one more to do today. I can't remember what it is. Sorry, COVID brain. But I thought this would probably be a little bit helpful. So talk to you later. Bye.